Hi, my name is Graham Drew, and this is Corey Hayes. He's going to be asking me questions every week about Blvd piping. Let's get into it.
Bring it on.
Hi, I'm expert plumber Graham Drew with Urban Piping. Today I'm going to show you how to light your hot water tank. Come on down and we'll walk you through the steps. First, you want to make sure that your gas valve, right here, is in the vertical position. When it's vertical, you know that the gas will go through it. Secondly, you want to make sure your gas valve arrow is pointed to pilot. Once it's in pilot, you can press her down. Keep her down for about 10 to 15 seconds. That will force the gas line to produce gas through the gas valve. If you take this off without any heat, it'll turn off the gas valve. So let's keep that depressed for 10 seconds here. After about 10 seconds, we want to click the igniter while still holding down that pilot button. I like to click it a lot just to make sure I don't have to get down on my stomach and actually look through the peephole here. And then once that's done, you'll slowly release the pilot, turn it on, and fire up. Simple steps, that's how you light your hot water tank. If you need any help with a situation like this, call a professional plumbing outfit like Urban Piping. That's who I recommend.
Hey Graham, thanks for answering this week's question on Blvd. Stay tuned for next week's question or leave us a comment below and we'll create another video answer.